This is the flavor that we gonna bring to all your music lovers. Are you ready to come along?